I want to show you how to create a design for Mother's Day using the word mom, and I'm going to use the names of my kids. So first we're going to start with mom. This is really popular right now. Okay, so first you're just going to type out your word and then go find the font for mom that you'd like to use. This is totally up to you. I believe that I used University, so let me see if I can find that. You want a fat font. You want a font that's really, really legible. So, where's University? I'm going the wrong direction. Let's see. Okay, so there's University. I like that it's blocky and makes a good feel. Okay. And on my shirt it's going to be white, but for the sake of seeing things better, I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I always like to change the line color as well. Just, that's my thing. Okay, so next I'm going to find my kids' names and connect them. Okay, so first let's do Bethany. And for this, you have to use a font that has the glyph, and I believe I used something called Arrow. Let me see when I search for that. Another one that a lot of people use is called I Love Glitter. But I believe this one was called Swift Arrow, so that's what I'm looking for. There it is, Swift Arrow font. Okay, so this one automatically changes your first letter, so you have to go in there and double click on this and then go back and find the B that you want to put in there. So I want to put a B in there, right there. Okay, for Bethany. And then I just used, for Trey, I just used the dash like that. And then I'm going to type in T-R-E-Y, and then another dash, and then Will, and then the front of the arrow, which I picked this one. But you see how you can scroll through here and choose whatever arrow you'd like to have. So that's just the one I chose for this. Okay. So now I've got that. It's a little too small. I would like for it to stretch all the way across. Okay, so let's make it a color so we can see it better. I'm gonna make it this blue color. Actually, let's make it red. It's really a lot better. Okay, and then if you have Business Edition and you've updated your Silhouette Studio, I believe that it already welds, but just in case, I'm going to click on Weld, and then I'm going to click on Group to the area where I'd like it to be. I just kind of eyeball it. I think that will look good. It's hanging over just a little bit, and it looks pretty centered. All right, so now let's create our offset around that word. And that's the only thing I have chosen right now, so selected, so that's where the offset's going to be. And I'm going to change this to 0.03 and click apply. Okay, so now there is an offset there as well, and I'm going to choose all three items. I'm going to go over to the modify panel and click subtract. What am I doing wrong? Subtract all. All right, so that did what I wanted it to do. Okay, so now we can see that when we group, I should have grouped mom first. I didn't realize I missed that step. And so now we can see when we go to cut out Bethany, Trey, and Will, our design is there. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. I don't need it. And my design is ready. You're going to flip it horizontally. Go over to your send panel. Click on whichever material you're going to use. I like to go to the fill. And you're going to cut out your black first, and this would be heat transfer smooth. Okay, and then the only other color I'm going to be cutting is this red. So I'm going to make this one heat transfer glitter, because I'm going to cut a pretty glitter for that part of the design. Right, and so we're ready to cut.